Wiha delivers a full lineup built to handle demanding job site challenges, from high-precision electric screwdrivers to tough storage systems in specialized hand tools. Today, we're spotlighting 17 Wiha tools, each crafted to enhance productivity and deliver top-tier results. Whether you're a seasoned tradesperson or just starting out, these tools are designed to make your work quicker, easier, and more dependable. Let's explore how Wiha can elevate your everyday tasks. The Wiha Double Ring Ratchet Wrench is a highly versatile 4-in-1 tool, ingeniously combining 4 common sizes, 10, 13, 17, and 19 millimeters, into a single compact unit. This is achieved by a double-ended design, with each end featuring 2 distinct profiles. A significant advantage of this wrench is the 72-tooth fine ratcheting mechanism, which allows for an exceptionally small 5-degree return angle. This innovative design enables continuous fastening without the need to constantly disengage the tool from the bolt, making it ideal for working in extremely tight and confined spaces where movement is restricted. The wrench also incorporates a simple, intuitive switch for effortlessly changing between right and left rotation, facilitating both tightening and loosening tasks with ease and efficiency. Wiha's extra heavy-duty screwdrivers are engineered for maximum durability and superior force application, making them indispensable for tough jobs. They feature a full tang construction, extending from the tip to the handle's end, ensuring exceptional strength. A solid metal striking cap allows for effective use with a hammer, while a hex-bolstered blade provides the option to apply extra torque with a wrench, perfect for loosening stubborn, rusted, or painted-over screws. The micro-finish screwdrivers are designed for optimal performance in challenging conditions, featuring a unique, textured, sandblasted handle that effectively displaces oil and moisture, guaranteeing a secure, non-slip grip in wet or greasy environments. Both lines are available in organized foam trays, promoting efficient tool management and accountability on any job site. The Wiha Torque Vario S-Series is engineered for professionals who require unparalleled precision and versatility in their fastening tasks. Its defining feature is an easily adjustable torque setting displayed on a clear, readable scale, allowing for precise calibration across diverse applications. A critical benefit is the audible and tactile click that signals when the preset torque has been reached, guaranteeing repeatable accuracy and effectively preventing the damaging effects of over-tightening. The ergonomic soft finish handle ensures comfort and significantly reduces hand fatigue during extended periods of use. Specialized variants, such as the 1000-volt rated and VDE-certified slimline insulated Torque Vario, are essential for electricians to comply with National Electric Code safety standards. Additionally, ESD-safe soft finish Torque Vario models protect sensitive electronic components from electrostatic discharge, making them ideal for delicate assembly and repair work. The Wiha Tools Drive Lock System is an innovative interchangeable screwdriver system designed to maximize versatility and reduce tool clutter. Instead of carrying multiple screwdrivers, you use a single soft finish handle with a wide variety of interchangeable blades, covering slotted, Phillips, Torx, and more. The standout feature is the adjustable drive lock technology, which lets you set the blade length to suit the job, whether you're working in tight spaces or need extra reach. A secure locking mechanism keeps blades firmly in place, ensuring stability and safety during use. Compact sets are available in wallet-style pouches, making them portable and organized for professionals in electronics, assembly, and general repair work. In short, the drive lock system streamlines your toolkit while giving you precision, adaptability, and efficiency in one smart package. Wiha's soft grip T-handle hex keys are engineered for superior comfort, control, and torque application, available in distinct color-coded inch, yellow, and metric sets, conveniently organized in metal stands. A defining feature is the comfortable dual-durometer soft grips, which are directly molded to the blade, ensuring enhanced durability and a secure hold. The innovative blade-through-handle design allows for exponentially high torque application, while the handles are proportionately sized to the blade, optimizing mechanical advantage. These are dual-drive tools, offering a standard hex end on the handle for high-force tasks and a versatile ball end on the long shaft. The ball end enables users to engage and turn fasteners at angles up to 25 degrees, providing crucial access in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. Crafted from premium CNC machined tool steel with a black oxide finish, these hex keys offer excellent corrosion resistance and are backed by Wiha's no-hassle guarantee. The Wiha Magic Ring Ball End Hex L Key Set is an innovative solution for efficient and secure fastening, particularly in challenging environments. Its defining feature is the Magic Ring, a non-wearing steel spring compression ring integrated into the ball end. This unique mechanism securely holds screws in place, enabling effortless one-handed fastener management, which is invaluable when working in tight or awkward spaces. The ball end design further enhances versatility by allowing users to engage and turn fasteners at angles of up to 25 degrees, providing access to fasteners that would otherwise be difficult to reach. The set is conveniently housed in an ErgoStar holder, designed for easy key selection. Simply rotate the largest key to fan out all the others at a 90-degree angle. Sizes are clearly marked on the holder for quick identification. The Wiha Pocket Star Fold-Out Hex Key Set is a testament to compact, durable, and user-friendly design, making it an excellent choice for professionals needing a portable hex key solution. This tool is remarkably compact, measuring just 4.7 inches in length, allowing it to fit comfortably in any pocket or tool pouch. Its primary feature is an innovative push-button key extractor, which effortlessly lifts the hex keys, providing quick and easy access to the desired size. The set is housed within an engineered polymer handle casing, offering robust protection for the keys and a secure, comfortable grip during use. The 9-piece SAE set includes a comprehensive range of sizes from 5/64 to 1/4 inch, all clearly marked on the handle for immediate identification. This design eliminates the struggle of accessing individual keys, enhancing efficiency on the job. Wiha Pico Finish precision screwdrivers are the benchmark for high-quality, precision fastening, especially in delicate applications like electronics repair, model building, and drone construction. These screwdrivers feature Wiha's signature cushion grip handles, meticulously designed for optimal comfort and precise control. The dual durometer material of the handle is direct molded to the blade, ensuring a permanent bond and enhanced durability. The Pico Finish style incorporates a hex profile finger grip for superior torque application and a tapered handle for rapid rotation, facilitating quick work. An extra-long, smooth-turning cap allows for multiple hand positions, further aiding precision. For convenience, each driver's tip profile is clearly labeled on the cap, enabling quick identification when stored vertically. Crafted from premium tool steel with exact fit, precision-machined tips, these screwdrivers effectively reduce cam-out and protect fasteners. Wiha GoBox bit sets are robust, compact toolkits meticulously designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who demand reliable tools on the go. Encased in rugged, pocket-sized metal cases, these sets offer exceptional portability and convenience for any job site. The collection encompasses a variety of specialized kits, including security bit sets for tamper-resistant screws and standard bit sets for general fastening tasks. Many GoBox sets come equipped with a 72-tooth reversible mini ratchet, an invaluable feature for working efficiently in confined spaces. For heavy-duty applications, the Terminator Blue Impact bit sets incorporate torsion stabilizing technology, extending their service life by an astounding 120 times compared to conventional bits. Precision microbit sets with Pico Finish handles and ESD-safe versions are also available for delicate electronics work, ensuring precision and protection against electrostatic discharge. Wiha's original color-coded nut setters are specifically designed for professionals tackling demanding construction tasks, prioritizing speed and precision. Their most distinctive feature is the high-visibility color coding, which enables instant size identification, significantly reducing time spent searching for the right tool. Each nut setter is equipped with an industrial-strength rare earth magnetic tip, ensuring fasteners are securely held and preventing accidental drops, especially when working in challenging positions. Built for extreme durability, these nut setters boast an impressive impact rating of up to 700 inch-pounds, making them perfectly suited for use with high-torque impact drivers. Crafted from chromium molybdenum alloy steel and finished with black oxide for corrosion resistance, they feature precision-machined tips and radiused corners to prevent cam-out and protect fasteners. The Wiha Soft Finish 11-in-1 Multi-Driver is an exceptionally versatile tool, meticulously designed for the diverse fastening needs of general contractors, electricians, and HVAC professionals. Its ergonomic dual-durometer cushion grip handle provides superior comfort, precise control, and remarkable durability, while strategically placed parallel flats prevent the tool from rolling off work surfaces. The chrome-plated premium-quality tool steel shaft not only offers exceptional strength and corrosion protection, but also ingeniously doubles as a nut driver, accommodating 3 common sizes: 1x4 inch, 5x16 inch, and 3x8 inch. This single compact tool consolidates 11 essential functions, featuring 8 critical screwdriver tip profiles on 2 interchangeable double-ended bits, including Phillips, slotted, Torx, and square. These phosphate-finished bits are corrosion-resistant, and their exact-fit precision-machined tips significantly reduce cam-out. The Wiha Soft Finish line of screwdrivers is renowned for its ergonomic design and superior performance, making it a favorite among general contractors, electricians, and HVAC professionals. The signature soft finish handle is engineered for maximum comfort and control, significantly reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use while enabling the delivery of optimal torque. These screwdrivers are constructed from premium quality tool steel, ensuring exceptional strength and long-lasting durability. The precision-machined tips guarantee an exact fit into fastener heads, effectively minimizing cam-out and preventing damage to both the fastener and the tool. For enhanced longevity, the chrome-plated nut driver components and phosphate-finished bits offer excellent corrosion protection and surface resilience. Designed and engineered in Germany and often manufactured in the USA, these tools are backed by Wiha's comprehensive no-hassle guarantee, reflecting their commitment to quality and user satisfaction. The Wiha GoStack storage system is a modular and highly portable solution, epitomizing organization and efficiency for professionals on the move. Its core strength lies in its ability to securely stack and interlock multiple cases, ensuring tools remain organized and accessible. The system is designed for quick access, featuring internal bit holders that can be easily lifted out, streamlining the lift, grab, go workflow. The included extra heavy-duty screwdriver bits are a testament to Wiha's commitment to durability, undergoing a computer-controlled heat treatment process that extends their service life by an impressive 200 times compared to standard bits. These sets also incorporate impact-rated nut setters with industrial-strength magnets and a secure impact-rated socket adapter, making the GoStack system ideal for demanding on-the-go fastening applications. The Wiha BiCut compound cutters are a revolutionary tool designed to significantly enhance cutting capability with minimal effort. Their standout feature is a patented push-button mechanism located at the pivot point, which instantly doubles the cutting power. This BiCut function provides a substantial mechanical advantage, allowing users to effortlessly cut through tough materials like screws embedded in wood and metal chains. The versatility of these cutters is exceptional. They can be used for standard cutting of soft materials, like electrical wires, and then with a simple press of a button, switch to high power mode for tackling hard materials like nails and bolts. The cutters are available with 3 distinct handle variations: a classic grip, an ergonomic industrial grip, and a VDE-rated industrial electric grip, ensuring safety during electrical work. The Wiha Soft Finish Conduit Reamer, often paired with a 6-in-1 multi-driver, is an indispensable tool for electricians, designed to ensure safe and precise conduit installations. Its primary function is to deburn and smooth the inside and outside edges of 1x2 inch, 3x4 inch, and 1 inch conduit ends. This crucial step protects wire insulation from damage during pulling and ensures a proper, secure fit. A key feature is its versatility. The reamer insert can be used manually with the ergonomic soft finish handle for controlled deburring, or attached to a power drill for faster, more efficient work. The reamer also incorporates a shrouded, slotted driver tip, preventing slippage when tightening hard-to-reach conduit fittings. Crafted from premium tool steel with precision-machined tips and a corrosion-resistant phosphate finish, this tool is built for durability and accuracy. The Wiha Red Stripe 30-piece toolkit is a comprehensive and highly portable solution, specifically designed for technicians who require safe and comfortable transport of a wide array of tools. This kit is housed within a Vito Pro Pack Tech Pack, a backpack renowned for its durability and ergonomic design, allowing for hands-free transport. This is particularly beneficial for professionals who frequently navigate job sites involving ladders, scaffolding, or long distances. The 30-piece assortment includes a 13-piece inch and a 9-piece metric color-coded hex key L key set, ensuring versatility for various fastening needs. Additionally, it features insulated New England lineman-style pliers with integrated crimpers and 6 insulated soft-finish screwdrivers in Phillips, slotted, and square sizes, providing essential tools for electrical work. A key component is the versatile soft-finish 11-in-1 multi-driver, consolidating multiple functions into a single convenient tool. The Wiha Tool Backpack is a robust and intelligently designed storage solution for mobile professionals, offering unparalleled organization and durability. Its most notable feature is a stable, waterproof hard base, allowing the backpack to stand upright independently, providing easy access to tools. With over 77 storage options, including numerous internal pockets and loops, it keeps hand tools meticulously organized. A dedicated, padded rear compartment offers secure protection for laptops and other electronic devices, making it perfect for IT technicians and electricians. The exterior boasts a mole webbing system for attaching additional pouches, while the integrated Go Stack system allows it to securely connect with other Wiha storage cases. Padded, breathable back panels and shoulder straps ensure comfortable transport even when fully loaded. That's a wrap for today. Which Wiha tool caught your eye the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.